Hey good looking, what you got cooking? Oh, fresh out of the oven. It's the brand new redesigned Dodo Pad Book for cooks, and it is so gorgeous. Do-delicious. We've completely redesigned the Dodo Book for cooks. It's now made in the UK. We've got beautiful, thick, heavy 112 GSM paper, which is made from recycled coffee cups, so it's super sustainable, and we've got rid of all the plastic. But don't worry, our covers, dividers and table of equivalents are all white clean using plastic-free biodegradable laminate. You've got 128 lovely blank pages to customise and fill and make your own, and every single page has a unique illustration or a little dodo, and they're different on every page. You've got the left side blank and the right side has a little dot grid matrix to keep things in line, while 10 movable dividers have storage pockets to keep your scrap cuttings and recipe cards. It's super easy to fit the dividers, and they pop on and off so you can change and reorganise as you wish. There's even a lazy days page for when you don't feel like cooking to list your favourite restaurants and takeaways. Though don't let your family recipes go extinct. Grab the Dodo Pad Book for cooks at dodopad.com.